show. It's show time. Let's roll. No good. Oop. Ow! Ow! Plumber, you're supposed to catch it. What are you doing? I didn't. The sun's too bright. Fine, you don't have to play. Frogger and I will then. I like this does too. Oh! Frogger? What the heck? Oh, sorry, Tony. I think I fell asleep. Am I gonna do something next? Or you guys are gonna have to do something. Alright, you want it? Wait, alright. You want it, Tony? Here it is. What? What's the matter? Oh boy. Well, hey. Plumber, stop breathing like that. But that ain't me. Alright, if it wasn't me, if it wasn't you, Frogger, stop breathing like that. It wasn't me.
You don't know the power of the dark side.
What'd you say I did not know? I don't even know what the dark side is. Frogger, stop messing around and throw the ball. It's not me! Turn around. Why? Look at Plumber, turn around? Puh, go on. I told you to stop breathing like that. Maybe it's you, Tony. What's wrong? Look behind you, the man in black. I am the man in black. Look, my hat is black. My shirt is a mustache. And my hair. That's all to see. A man in black. That's me. And my hat and legs. I saw this gentleman over here. Hello. Tony! Oh, you cry babies. Let's see what's on behind us. I oughta. You oughta what? I oughta nothing! Ah! Oh, who are you? I told you guys. That's where the breathing came from. Yeah, you're creeping me out. That's worse than Dracula staring at you. Are you Tony Mario? Yes? We better die! You came to threaten me with a market cap? No, you... where are my manners? This is a lightsaber. My skills are complete. Are your skills? Skills are what? I think this is broken. Anyway. Wow. Hold your head still. Wow. ball all of you. Whoa! Oh. We're getting out of here. Ah! Oh! Yeah, I made it too. Whoa! Keep that lightsaber away from us. You and me must be destroyed. Blame the T-Rex from the past. The T-Rex who lives in the garden forest of reptiles. What? I think you're nuts, and I'm out of here. Ah! Oh no, he's got us. I'm using the Force. You better know what the Force is. Oh, he did use stuff like this. Oh God, don't tell me. Oh, he can control. Tony, he can control us. This is not good. And no one's out here to help. Not even ET's out here to use the Force. Wait, please. What do you want? Why do you want to kill us? No, I'm trying to kill you, Tony Mario. But since you got these two buddies, I'll kill all of you anyway. It doesn't make sense. Stop now. Freeze, I mean. Hasta la vista, baby. Not you again. What? Oh no. Don't shoot us. If you want to live, come with me right now. Come on. Let's go. What? And who are you? What the heck is going on here? This evil dark lord is trying to kill you. Come on, I'll protect you if you want to live. Now come with me. You say? Come on, Tony. He's only no hope. Alright, let's go. Which way? Harry, go run! I'll hold him back for you. Do you even know who this joke is? Joke? This is serious, pal. Alright then. Where the heck are we going? I don't know, but just run! Oh. Vader, your days are over. I'll kill you. You can't kill me. Oh, it broke. Damn it. I'll be back. I hope you'll be back if you don't make me see. Be back. Let's get moving. You mess with Arnold the Terminator, I take you down. You scrap metal piece of garbage. Wait, that was a fake shot. Don't worry, he's not dead. He will be eventually. Time to go save those three boys. Oh, murder them. Murder them. Boys, this way, hurry. Cover me. You idiots, come on. Yeah, Adam, come on. Ah! Ah! Oh. Hey, where do we hide? Back here. Hey, where do you three go? Oh, thanks. Whoever you are. My name's Arnold. I'm a Terminator from the future. A Terminator? What's that? A Terminator is when he comes from the future and kills someone. That's not me. That's Darth Vader up there. He's the one trying to kill you. I'm the one protecting you. We're actually robots from the future. One of us, we were all in war of killing. But I basically came back here in time to protect you, Tony Mario. I'm Tony Mario. The reason is, there's another Tony hiding. Another Tony? It's a dinosaur, a T-Rex. Vader's trying to kill you, so the only Tony left on Earth. Oh, that's a why. That is why. Ha. But there's another Tony now. It doesn't matter. This T-Rex fella is a very serious thing. In the future, with that Tony around, if he tells you the future falls into the wrong hands. I don't get what you're getting here. Alright. Alright. If Vader kills him, it will not happen. If it happens. The other one's alive somewhere, but he's free and out in the wild. He's about to go after him, bring him back to the future. It'll be all chaos. And it might be worse than how it is chaos. Maybe we should fight. Too dangerous. One just trying to kill you for good. You gotta be protected. You two are just his buddies. So, we must head into the wild and fight. If he pops up, I'll hold his back. Come on. Where are we going? Just come with me if you want to live. What if I don't want to live? What if I don't want to? Mr. Terminator, sir? Arnold? Yeah. What if I don't want to live? Then don't come with me and be killed. Oh. Yeah. Alright. The coast might be clear. Now, listen up here, boys. Oh. You must head down there to see that thing looks like a garden. Well, that's our garden over there. Yes. Now down there. That T-Rex is in there somewhere. If we don't find him, the future will be chaos. It's the save the future. That's what matters. And for Darth Vader, he's trying to destroy it. Now we cannot let him do it. I'm here to protect you. And also, I got these boys here, back which are both idiots. What was that for? Yeah, I don't know. I'm definitely doomed. Don't worry. They'll get moving eventually. Hurry, go, he's there. Whoa! Where we go, Tony? Quick, jump in the truck. Let's go. Wait up. Oh. Alright. Hold on, boys. Let's go. Woo! If only ever wasn't in this truck, it would be easier. But I could shut up and let's go. Hurry. Ah! Woo! Ah! Must try protecting them, Terminator. Thank you, Mr. Arnold. Now my targets are mine. Very mighty stinking vehicle. Right. Let's go. No, must be tapped.